Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm sharing with you guys some decluttering motivation, cleaning motivation, and some organization. So I hope you guys are ready to get motivated. I hope you enjoy this video. Maybe you get some inspiration or some ideas if you're looking to organize toys in your children's rooms. Before we continue, go ahead and hit that like button and also hit that red subscribe button because I would love to have you become a part of my YouTube community.
I can't believe you're here. Can't get any worse. No. I just wanna get out of here. I find it so hard to breathe. Cause when you get too close, I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me. But now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here. I lose my way and I freeze. I wish you knew what power you have over me. But now it's so hard to breathe. Just get me out of here.
Everybody staring for days. All they see is just a young pretty face. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take. But there's something you're trying to hide. There's something you're keeping inside. But I'm trying to get to...
Alright guys, so I just finished cleaning up and adding a little bit of storage to my daughter's room. I'm gonna show you guys overall. If you saw my video where I changed her room around, you would have seen like I changed the bed and did everything. Okay, so I had been talking about changing up some storage in her room. She has a lot of toys in here because she's got, you can see that Barbie doll, she's got her LOL stuff, basically all of the things that she doesn't want her brother to touch, little Barbie pieces, things like that. So she has quite a few toys in here, and my goal was just to make it look like there weren't that many. Now the big stuff, of course, that stuff is going to always be out, things like that. But I went ahead and I picked up this small cubicle from Walmart. It was $30. So I'm thinking I'm gonna buy another one and put it right here. So that way she has more storage bins and she can keep a few other things. For the most part, all the little things are off of the ground. The only thing on the floor are the big things like the Barbie, the house, the camper, and her LOL Glamper camper. But I did go back to Walmart. They didn't have another one of these, so I'll have to order it online. And then I also liked these bins. At first, honestly, I'm going to be honest, I thought it was too small. These are the Walmart brand, I believe, cubicles, and way smaller than the Threshold. Now, they're not bad. They are still good quality, but the Threshold ones are thicker. So in any case, I ended up liking how this one turned out. So because it's smaller and these fabric bins are smaller, I can divide things up into just kind of like categories. So we had one more thing to do in here, and she wanted me to put labels on her bins, so I'm going to work on trying to get that done. But you'll see this we left out like that, and I think it just looks cute there. In here, we ended up putting her little num-nums and a little miscellaneous Barbie slide that we were missing pieces, so we went ahead and put that there. So that was easy for her. Barbies. I am so glad we've got Barbies tucked away and you cannot see them. Look at that. I am so excited. So then this is where I keep all of her small Barbie pieces. This never stays organized like I would like, and I think I have to get a bigger one because she's gotten so many accessories that they don't all fit in here. But basically she's got her small stuff there. Then she's got, I'll go ahead and I'll show you while I'm in here. She's got extra clothes in that one. And then I think the middle one just holds like little animals and big pieces. She's pretty good at putting her things back, especially since she knows where they go. So now I feel like this is going to be even better for her to keep things clean. And then she's got here just a few little miscellaneous things. She's got some Shopkins in here, some of her little Shopkin dollies. So we've got that. And then she's got her little Num Num truck. And the books, these are the books that she's already read so far this summer. So she's moving them over here just so that she doesn't have them mixed up on her bookshelf. So that is that. Then on top of here, this LOL display, you can see they're all toppled over. But this LOL display thing fits perfectly on here. She's got her little Shopkins airplane and her little Barbie horse up here. And then these are little things that she's made. Little same things. Oops, my mistake. So that's that. So from this angle, this is what this looks like. This was my declutter pile for her. We decluttered some books, lots of uniforms that we'll probably give to the school for, they're all really still in good shape. And then some winter clothes that won't fit her next year. And that's everything that I decluttered, and I think a few t-shirts and some pants and stuff. I had recently reorganized this dresser right here, right? And then my daughter thought it would be a great idea to just move everything around. So I went ahead and I sat her down. I said, let's try to make this work in a way that it'll work for you and it'll work for mom. And so we reorganized it again. And I'm going to just show you what we ended up doing. I am trying my best to make the most out of the storage that we have. So, all right, so this is all we have up on our dresser. Trying to keep it as minimal as possible. I would like to get shelves for these. My mother-in-law gets her a new one every year, and so I need to find a place for that. But this is what I ended up doing to the drawers. All her undershirts, socks, underwear, things like that here. Ballet stuff over here. Then the second drawer. So this is my best attempt at doing the KonMari folding method. I know that I could probably do this a little bit better, but like this, for example. But I did the best I could, and I really like how it turned out because all of her shorts are here, all of her leggings are here, and then all of her shirts that she could wear like inside the house are right here. So that was my attempt at the KonMari method. And then the bottom one, we're using for PJs, and I did not do the KonMari method for that because that is more for when you have a lot of clothes in one drawer. Otherwise, I'd have things toppling over here. So PJs there. And then on this side, we went ahead and we use this as storage. So basically she's got her little slime kit in here, card games, and a few little odds and ends, little miscellaneous things. And I don't know if anybody else's kids do this, but all of the LOL and the Nom Nom papers, I need to find a better way to keep that, but for now it's just going in there. So then in this drawer, this is the book that she's currently reading. These are like her little journals that she likes to write in. This was a book we forgot to return that was left in her backpack, so I just want to make sure I don't lose that. And then all of her crayons and scissors and glue sticks and things like that, and she took this little notepad. So that is what we did here. I'm just going to put this right here. Down here, basically, she's got just her extra headphones from school that we went ahead and we disinfected and just put in here. These are little gloves and hats and things that she won't be using right now, so we went ahead and just put that down here. I don't know if your kid does this, but she likes to collect seashells right now. And sometimes she'll write on them or draw on them. Yeah. This is just like what she likes to do. So designated a little area for her little seashells because she keeps that in this little Dollar Tree bin, and we keep it there. And she's got her piggy bank she likes to put away because her brother likes to grab it. Little unicorn that sometimes she puts out on top of her dresser. I love this under the bed storage. This is great, especially for when you have kids. And so we take advantage of under the bed storage, and for her right now, it is being used to keep some of her games and seasonal books. So that was that side, and then on the other side, I've got some of her dress-up stuff. She is starting to not fit in a lot of this stuff, so we're probably going to have to go through this soon. Little accessory purses, things like that. But for now, it's just convenient that we have it in here and she knows where to put it away. So that is great for under the bed storage, keeping things off the floor. So this one's missing a knob just because the little metal on it, I think I got these at Ross a few years ago. The little metal on it ended up breaking, and I thought I had a new one and I haven't found it, so I have to change that out. And her drawers are looking dingy, so I may have to wipe these down. Probably gonna have to do that. And I will put this pile, get this pile put into a bag that I am decluttering things, and I'll go ahead and vacuum. Look at what little brother did, because that's life, right? But I am really pleased with how this room is, because even though she's got a lot of toys in here, it doesn't seem like it. And so like I was saying before, I think I'm gonna grab another one of these and add it here, and that way we can add a few more things. She's got some dress-up jewelry that I think will go great in one of these fabric bins, and you know, her birthday's coming up, so before her birthday we'll probably I think I've gotten rid of a few things, but for the most part, I think with one more bin here, we'll be good. And I'll show you guys once everything is off the floor. Josiah. And this is her closet. This is another space that I want to work on. So I would like to add a kind of like a tall cubby storage system here and use that to put away a few things that she's got on the floor over here. Oh, this was another thing. So I almost forgot about this because I ended up putting it inside of her closet, but she loves to have little tea parties. So she's got these 2 little tea sets, and we had them still in the box, and I think it was in one of those dresser drawers over there. So I emptied this out because a lot of the things that were in here were like the little Shopkins and Num Num toys that went over there in those fabric bins. And so now this will go in the closet, and it is safely tucked away, and it is in this plastic container so it won't get messed up. And that way we added storage and we also reused some storage. So ideally I would like to add a tall bookshelf here. This closet is teeny tiny, and I just went through all her clothes, and look at this. Stuff that just does not fit her anymore. I took out all her uniforms, so it looks like basically like this is empty. And then this is just like stuff for when it's cold, and her school t-shirts that will still fit her. So I don't want to get rid of those, so I just hung them up. And she used to have stuff here, but literally there's nothing there. That girl, she has grown so much. Josiah, what are you doing? She has grown so much, and yeah, she's basically outgrown all of her stuff. So it is time to buy new clothes, even though honestly right now we're not really going to too many places.
There's something you're keeping inside, but I'm trying to get to know you much better. No matter how much time it can take, I just can't give up. I just can't.
So that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to hit that like button. And also, if you are new and you just subscribed, please comment down below and say hi. I would love to say hi to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.